animal.
Chick.
What kind of animal?
Chick.
Dinosaur.
Chick.
Oh, okay, good.
Say it.
Jim, look, it's dry. Look. See? Hey,
Chick. Chick.
Chick.
Lamb.
Chicken?
Horse. Cow. Goat. Cow. Hen. Cow. Duck. Cow. Stop. Pig.
Galing. Very good.
Cow.
Perry, restart the
Oh, ito, Mario. Papakita ko sa'yo, ha?
Toenail.
Oh, yan. Ano to?
What is it?
Film
Yeah,
cats.
100 first words.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Clothes. Clouds.
No, it's
Oh.
jacket.
Oh, jacket daw. Oh, ito. Ito.
Look. Mommy, look. Yes.
Dress. Mami naman. Hindi na kita.
Nakalagay, a
Oh,
dress.
ano to?
Yes.
Ito.
Cats.
Upas. Ito.
Pim's hats.
Boots. Ito.
Socks.
Socks. Ito.
Pajamas.
Galing. Ito.
Sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt, ang galing.
Jay, what is that?
Ito.
Who is that?
Ha?
Baby.
Ito.
I don't know.
Kanina sinabi mo yun eh.
Hat.
You said
Hat.
Yay, good job, Jay. That's
Student of the month.
100 first words. Let me see the book. Yan yung 100 first words.
It's not handwritten.
Ilan? 99? Thank you.